everybody, thanks for watching. My name's Kevin. I'm with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about the Pride Mobility Go-Go Carbon Mobility Scooter. So Pride's done it again. They went out and made something ultra lightweight. This unit combined with the battery weighs 39 pounds. If you take the battery off, you're looking at 35 pounds. So it's extremely lightweight. It's a great little scooter to have here. I'm going to show you a couple features and benefits just from right here at the moment. This thing folds up really easy. I have just this handle right here that I can pull up. And just like that, I folded the device up. What's nice is I can roll it around just like this, or I can take it and tip it and use the front casters to roll it. This front tiller can be adjusted by being pushed down. And then I fold it back and everything's tight and compact. I have a handle right here and then a little place on the back so I can pick the unit up. And again, at this little weight, it's one of the lightest mobility scooters on the market. You're not gonna find many that are under that 40-pound range. Another nice feature about it is it has a 300-pound weight capacity.